Choosing a metal barn for your property is an exciting decision, and there are many factors to consider. What is the primary purpose of your barn? How long do you expect to use it? How much time do you have to devote to maintenance? What is your budget? Would you prefer a wooden barn or a metal barn? These are all great questions to ask yourself before making a decision. When it comes to comparing traditional wood barns versus metal barns, it is important to note the distinct advantages metal barns have over wood. Here are some of the essential pros to building a metal barn on your property. When it comes to how much bang you get for your buck, there is little comparison. Wooden barns are more expensive to build and maintain than metal barns. If you are handy, you can save even more by purchasing a metal barn kit or a variety of other metal storage building kits and putting it together yourself. Metal barn designs are fully customizable depending on your needs and budget. For example, maybe you have big horse barn plans down the road. Metal horse barns can easily and cost-effectively grow with your horse family in the future. Wood structures do not offer the same level of flexibility and are much pricier. Both metal barns and wooden barns are intended to withstand the elements. However, wooden barns are not as durable as metal barns. Harsh weather can cause wood to warp and crack, which will eventually lead to larger problems like leaking and rotting. Galvanized steel is used to manufacture metal barns. This allows the barns to withstand the elements without compromising the integrity of the structure. As mentioned previously, wooden barns are not very weather resistant over time. They are subject to rotting, mold, warping, cracking, termite damage, and other issues that will require a good amount of maintenance. This alone could tip the scales if you are considering metal barn designs. When deciding, remember that wooden poles buried in the ground will begin to decay and shift as time goes by, which can be both dangerous and expensive. You can also expect to paint and stain your wooden barn every few years. Since custom color is applied during steel manufacturing, you wouldn't have to worry about frequent painting with the steel barn. Keeping your barn clean not only looks nice, but is also critical for the health of your animals. If you run a stable, customers will either be attracted to or bothered by the condition of your facility. Metal is a fast, easy cleanup using a pressure washer and mild solution. It also dries quickly, so you can continue with your busy day without too much of a wait to put your equipment or animals back in their place. You can use the same method for your wooden barn, but the dry time is longer, and you'd also need to seal the interior walls with waterproofing stain and sealer to prevent mildew and deterioration. Whether you are looking at custom horse barns for your horse family or metal barn kits to house expensive farm equipment, safety is key. Metal barns are built to withstand severe weather and protect your animals along with all of your other valuable items. These are only a few of the main advantages metal barns have over traditional wooden barns. Since there is a wide variety of metal barns for sale, be sure to compare the quality of materials to the warranties offered by different companies if you decide to go with a metal barn. Carport Central is an industry-leading installer of high-quality metal barns and buildings that meet customers' needs and their budgets. Whether you want a small steel storage shed, a metal workshop, or anything in between, we've got you covered. Contact us online or give us a call at 888-256-0984 to speak with one of our building specialists about getting started on your brand new custom metal building.